kpọtụwa no ya kpọtụwa gị na afian biko tata wee bụrụ mbọsị anyị akwado wee na-eche nwanne anyị nwanyị biko ka anyị ga-enye ya ntị n'onu wee nụ ya ọchị ikwu.
Follow with no regrets. I've been busy, man. Been busy. Back to back. Don't worry, very soon I will reveal it. Process the too much. American and their process. So if you come across this page, share it. Ekperima Chicago. Share this video. Like I don't open a page, J-Pack told me. Ekperima Chicago. All my nicknames, we go use our open videos. Open page. There we know. It's a boo. I've been very busy throughout today. J-Pack told me, Facebook will give me a paid page. You are not going to do anything for 60 days and you have to reach 100 persons before. Naruzu Hana, this is too much. So I try to be civil as much as I can. I've been very busy this time around, honestly speaking. Not running around for many things. Very busy. Share this page. Share this page. Follow this page. Oh, you fake. You don't get to this thing that making him name. Don't I'm orange. Okay, I saw that page. I was thinking if it belongs to you. After this program, I go pin there immediately on my page. Which page? Anyone where I never share for my this no flow. You know, say people go they open them with their names. So if I have not shared it on this page, on this Ogechoke Kenjaka, no follow me, no be me. No be me. Anyone where I share here, make a video inside. But anyone where I share, say make you follow, and the one where you go follow. Who find your trouble today? Now tomorrow, the main program is coming. Now tomorrow, you know some people are very selfish. Some people are very self-centered. J-Pack brought out my father, humiliated my father. Then I've been screaming, people of goodwill decided to dig out J-Pack Papa, J-Pack dead mama, and they brought the information to me. Some miscreants, some woman shower, some woman cannot bleach in table, and it is so-called quote-to-quote good advisors had the impetus, had the audacity to comment under my comment section, say make I no bring J-Pack Papa and Mama come. Are you guys okay? You guys are crazy. You guys are not. Somebody now complaining, no, my papa, carry my mama, come out again. They want my mama, they show him. And the one idiots, some idiots, that in a shini unkete kume. You want to go? It's not telling me. No bring. You know be me. No be your boy people carry and come give me. You know be no carry this maggot come give me. And the family. Look at person where they install my papa. Why papa go thief yam for village? In the village I'm up here. And somebody wants to tell me, no bring papa. No carry papa come. 30 tomorrow. Join me, sure. Join me. Follow this page. Share me Perimana Chicago. That is the name. Oh yeah. Ejimojo to about or get was me Perimana Balaga. That's the name they call me. That's the page here. All some of my demeanor say they won't change them. I think there's something that okay, then my Facebook will not allow you make you change names again. So if they do finish, then go rest. You know, people try to oppress you because I'm a woman, and some useless women are seeing it as I'm not doing it right. Let me tell you, if God has taken the suppression and the whatever they call it against women, sorry, you have taken it away from women, and the gay jack again, name me intimidate. You what I go? Follow the page, share it, because bring you share it. Christmas a woman oh. I'm not about other people. I say, hey, that lady corona yesterday nearly 50,000. I mean that lady where she boom mad. She later sent me email to apologize as well. I've told her I've forgiven her. I'm gonna bring her no be. Just that he made me here a show on my hand who the beast in me. He made me here a show. She sent me an email. I read it this morning. But what gets me pissed off is why would you cry and also try to intimidate you? Ashi, you are going to die. Okay. Well, no need of replying you. Well, here guys now because him due iPhone, he on Asian nan abandoned. I wanted to block you. But I banned going iPhone, you want to ban you. She wear is evidence. Evidence no me again. The evidence is inside the JPAC. JPAC can show. Why can't my fans show me love, Benjamin? I mean, don't you love me? I love him, Ghana some. Show me love too. Don't I deserve your love? Share to me. You can get back inside the kitchen. I don't achieve exam. Share it inside the kitchen. All the plans of Volvo and then I plan back to sender. Plan you guys cannot stand me. Upon a come mark over one, nature you guys come mark over. I know they wish one are there though, but why not they struggle so hard to ban me? Well, you guys fighting to that now. Well, I'm here, me to get you, we will kill you. I get you, we do this. Okay, we'll just one call again. Come back. When I'm on Nigeria, I'm not coming back. What is my business again? When you go to Nigeria, you're going to take on Nigeria so they come back. Still, I'm going to try to map up Chicago and come on email. You guys have failed. Unada go. I've been busy. A lot of paperwork, a lot of signature to sign, a lot of back and forth. Oh, Jesus help me! I can't wait. America and their procedures. Share my inside the Igbo nyara. Share inside the J pipe. Kai game because share na you about 100%. Same video mga choka again. Now today is my first time of making video here. Yeah, so princess my sister. I nacho, but to have the boom. She no kai do 100. Kai le ni I get jin do make tonight. Na old mama where you know sabi talk. Ibu negi buzori old before me. Oya Otilo. You know you can't even speak correct broken. To tell you Kegi, your own they got a bad, they bad to an extent, they no redeem. Nothing to redeem in you. On behalf of the brotherhood, we want to tell you to stop insulting JPAC. The insult is JPAC is a man. You can't be insulting a man anyhow. You don't have any product selling in the market to be so proud of. So who do you think brotherhood amu brotherhood gebo wakwa ya hu mekura ge brotherhood nketa na elu ala kobo kwa ya. Come on susunu shinga fuzun brotherhood of a babosta sasa be meaning brotherhood of a brotherhood that cannot be proud to jail lo tulaya. What made you a brotherhood when your IK is not being examined? Chineke bokwago okay man a brotherhood anaghị eme accept with any foreign object or any normal object inside the care. Chineke bokwago ko hemere gi brotherhood with ike na shimini usura akpa ha mere gi brotherhood. That thing brotherhood Igbo pe gi macho me block. Hello.
Why you bulele?
Then you can't even be proud to show your face. Come on, well, come on, Shinga. When you can't even pronounce the Igbo very well. When you even though you always my house, very irritating Igbo. When you can't even pronounce the Igbo. When you can't even pronounce it for the same Igbo, can't even pronounce it very well. When you see you. Igbo, away, broken, ole. Atono. Igbo self na maga manire, the cable man na mamma manire. Uzu. Tafaba. When you be lele. When you be lele. When you be look at you're gonna dark mosquito at the boogie. You are in dark mosquito at the boogie. Come on, generator, no free buy fuel put. If they call me. So you can't do life without insulting anybody. No, okay, she done. So you cannot comment without you being responsible. So you cannot comment without you being responsible. You can't comment without you being responsible. Now, what for you? Really hopeless. Even Igbo, I get butere gị mmanya jụọ gị gịnị mere gị n'ire nne gị ọ tapụrụ gị ihe kpapara gị n'ire jide ọmụrụ gị nwaanyị ikpulele nwaanyị ikpulele nwaanyị ikpulele. Why did you comment you delete? Nwaanyị ikpulele nwaanyị ikpulele ozu. The comment agaghị happen na if you're man enough or a woman enough. Hello?
Okay, thank you, man.
Ọ dị mma ka eke ime. Nsogbu adịrọ ka eke ime.
One thing in the Bible, program in the Bible, I think like the Igbo is because all more naturally before this started video. If a video the genesis of this platform.
Become my brother.
If some people question you because of man, ask yourself, can if a video this some people have valued their parents, not only value their parents. Not only more than value parents, no, the caption of the video, the caption of the video. But people are that you can different with their own. If somebody make a point out, even people when I give back make a boyfriend, they will testify the kind of person give back. So, and people are that judge. So obviously before what at the idea no one now mal si we bido. Ya jụwa ajụjụ kedu ka okwu ọnwa si wee bido. The truth of the matter.
Bịa, onye ncha na onye mma ama, iwe onye ebere. Iwe onye ebere.
Iwe eze aka ọrụ na social media.
Iwe onye ebere. Denokwa iri onye pakiri ọrịa obiri na aja ọcha. Dekla bere. Ịdịka onye bụ ọrịa obiri na aja ọcha. Jee gwọọ ọrịa gị biko. Ama m ihe ga-aya. Fada zụzụrụ pụọ ihe. Lekwa ọrịa. Ewu ndị ụmụ nwoke ibe ha werela spam gbọwa iwe otiri.
Okay, ignore some people.
My brother.
Before people are put on social media, if anyone so J-Pack Bona all the sensible enough. Focus go eat and apology. This matter will die. I know the kind of person you are. You want somebody will large you.
Actually, yeah, I need to do Western black man.
They brought somebody.
They go film them.
If I can end with this thing, sorry, apologize. If you are the bold enough to say and do more can be that's why sorry. Can you imagine statement?
This guy, I don't know to this young gene. Jesus, I tell me, yeah, I need you to better one day come promote to real page here. The guy, I don't know, Nike. I'm a monyo, I'm going to put no window to work a matter of the guy with the Anna Nike, this boy, Patrana, all kid, that's it. You never do yourself, but somebody don't need to tell you. The boy, you will all know the boy, Ejilamo. All this in that laba, and the businessman, Ejilamo scatter the boy out. A finish,
Just ignore some
Even
certain
he
things.
came asking me because can help promote prayer page here. The boy is very hopeful. What matter I couldn't make because my spirit never lie. The boy,
Okay, because
yeah.
okay, because
Mm,
on my
mm,
friend Choka Yogi,
mm,
on my friend Choka Yogi, Basalo this saga the
mm.
Basalo this saga the because I'm a neighbor a bad person. I'm a neighbor a bad person. Um, and I'm even neighbor.
Man, you know,
Okay, I'm a neighbor a
idiot,
bad person.
idiot, ejila scatter chichimo to me. Look at you.
I'm a
But the
neighbor a bad
lamb jag gay, what spam, stop a young name. Then you get about the very foolish idiot to shine when you men out. Don't know care. But I got
so
the running shit lying against you.
so eventually okay, I'm a neighbor
Man,
a neighbor a bad person.
my
And
brother, I'm much of a bad person. I don't give a fuck.
no,
Chop my
wait,
man.
big
Mbo.
don't we enjoy yogi. I'm a neighbor a bad person.
Mm-hmm.
Ọbụna J Park pụta dị open tender apology. Please forgive
Now,
him.
Mbo now.
Please forgive him. After all, you are a Christian.
The boy,
And I'm an
I got the boy. I'm on the boy. Come back there. Nah, I'm skip you like was fat fire to me.
people people are
Useless idiot. They go like
are
get on with it. We're all to land nigga the more machine than your mansion. Where I dream and all. Very hopeless thing. I'm on you.
okay man. Okay, just forget forget the other person or they may exist. Forget it
Idiot.
about you.
Now, took my button on my WhatsApp.
He's not
That I know.
he's
When they
not
make a one,
existing.
I'm
He's not existing. Ọbụna
a very
ọ
bad
na-eme
person. I might be denying it. I'm very.
biko ka nna
To
ya gị
deal with to deal with animals like you have to be and a
this
general zoom. How they
this
bloody bad.
this saga this saga or J Park cause of all these things. Ọ nwere onye a ga-ebupụta parents ya na social media ọ dị happy. Enwe ife
That's home gonna
enwe ife bụ ọ bụrụ na ị chọọ attack somebody attack ya direct don't involve that person's parents you know mana ọ dịgo ka ọ ga-adị ife nna ya ga-enwere ihe ọzọ na-abụrụ J Park is like your younger brother. It's like your younger brother. In as much as he talks too much, he
J-Park is not
talks
my younger brother. J-Park. Oh, don't say that. I'm not older than J-Park. He's not my younger brother because I'm not
okay.
older than J-Park.
J Park is your brother.
He's not my younger brother. Don't say that though.
Okay.
I'm not
Park
older
is
than
your brother.
J-Park, I beg.
If na yogi, open the apology. Please forgive and forget. And what if you open okay? We'll talk about it. Man, onye mefie mmadụ ga-ebugodo ụzọ gosi na ya dị sorry. And what onye ga-abụ ebupụta parents ya na social media do a lot of things onye nwa dị happy. So ama m ebe ife na-enweghị iwesi mana etu ọbụla o si dị onwe ka o si wee gị mgbaghara forget ya and move on biko. At least JPAC amasị kịta anyị aka wee lee a vital lesson. JPAC ife ọ na-apụta na social media ekwu okwu nyanwa ọ ma na ya na ife na-eme JPAC na-agabiga a lot of things. Ọ bụ na JPAC adịghị enwebu BP JPAC ya na-enwe BP na ife ọ na-pretend just ọ na-pretend long he's passing a lot of things now. Even JPAC nke bụ eziokwu bụ na all these big men fa na JPAC na-eme ka ife believe me most of them I gotta be very careful ebe JPAC since it's like a bido JPAC ọ bụ na JPAC na na-erate bie 100% JPAC is now 30% na rating this saga efo edebe gị ebe ọ na-efilu na ọ ga-anọ bikos ọ filu na ya na-ekwute okwu mana ọ marụ na enwere ndị na-ekwu okwu nwee ndị kụziere ndị mmadụ etu esi ekwu okwu nwoke na ibe ya rabụ n'ọnụ isi na isi rabụ n'ọnụ mana enwere isi ka ibe ya saga 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 okwu anyị ọnụ emụmụ jee paakị okwu anyị ọnụ ọ sị na ya bụ FBI FBI gịnị ka ebe echi ịgba saga enwere ndị ka gị na saga enwere ndị ka gị nwa ọnụ mana he feel that he talks too much. Okay, look at ife o ji disgrace onwe the other day ya ọ je n'osisi ọ na-atụ mmadụ na-achị
I'm not busy now with other things.
ọ dị funny
But
ife ndị si na ọ dị funny bụ jee paakị bụ onye na-ejide ndị dibịa na-akpọli onye in fact ọ bụrụ na isi na aka gị dị ọcha merụrụ mmadụ na ime nụrụ ife dị otu a nwaanyị ihe eji wee jee ka dị nka because ife niile jee paakị na-eme ọ dị laughable dịka ife ụmụazị na-eme dịka ife ụmụazị na-eme ọ bụrụ na aka gị dị ọcha bifo ije repọtụ mmadụ to something aka gị ya dị n'ọcha jee paakị aka ya dị ọcha kedu onye na-adọ ndị mmadụ vaa na soshal midia ụlọ o jee paakị
Ogechi.
Paakị bụ onye ya bụ ọnụ anya tinye small thing n'ebe mmadụ nọ jee paakị ya etinye aka tinye ọkpa bupụta ya na
Ogechi. Ogechi, the bad person. Yes, I am bad, bitch. I'm bad.
Let him just apologize. All these things. Ọ bụ na apologize ya, please forgive him. I'm not a Christian and that one na-enwere ajọ obi. Onwere onye ọbụla emere ife ọjọọ ka ọ ghara react. Onwere onye ọbụla emere ife ọjọọ ka ọ ghara react.
Ogechi the bad. Ogechi the bad person. You insulted my dead father. I'm a bad person because you guys are weak to defend what belongs to me. I'm a bad person. Yes, I am a bad person.
Something made yesterday, you were one name good person. I'm a follow the follow. Or something yesterday.
Give me him a minute.
And we program in yesterday. And we one lady, somebody meet somebody. And when something or comment, I'll say again, they were approve if a J party about something like that. After making issue where only a well you finally now apologize here. If you wait issue where basically forgive not only you forgive her, you also send 50,000 to her. That shows that you have a good heart.
Oh,
you know,
the lady.
People are that what I'm not. People are that what I'm. Someone new ezigbo obi even NGO ị na-eme iji enyegasịrị ndị ife na-esiri ike aka ndị na-enwere ọkọrọ a very good work you know. So biko ka nna gị jee paakị apologize ya gị please forgive him and move on. You are above all these things. Ebe Chineke debere gị tata bụ Chukwu debere gị ọ bụrụ mmadụ debere gị ebe ahụ and glory be to God in everything. Just forgive and forget and move on. Onye debe gị na position.
That's what he said. That you heard him. He said that. That means no apology. That means we continue to this game. You know. Oh, you cannot wrong me and also tell me how to keep my voice to cry. You are good. So king. Yeah, I'm gonna know banana. My brother.
Apology, just forgive it, please.
My brother. Please. You there.
If you want to make it just pretending. Jepa I'm thinking of na Jepa with BP. Ọ bụ na ọ gwa gị kịta check your way na J Park na-enwezi BP ịma kwa ife imego J Park iti J Park na ịkọ onye nkulikọ Ghana asị na akụ nwa dị ifeti nka kụpa ọ ife kọrọ ya social media.
But o nwere saga material na.
Ọ nwere JPAC enwere ọnụ ebe JPAC na ụmụ ụgbọ.
O nwere saga material o ji agbanwe ndị saga butere ya material.
Ọ na-amụ okwu amụ
Iche
efelu.
na
Enwe tipa nwee katapila. Ife bụ katapila ebe JPAC nọ. Itipịala ya etipịa nke ikpeazụ. Mana ọ ya ekwere because of Igbo. Ife efu kịta bụ ọ nwere ndị nọ na-akụ na nsị ya move on, ride on, nothing is happening. O wee na-etipịa onwe kịta. At least JPAC nwere ife ọwa otu ebe ndị mmadụ nọ na ife efu bụ mmacha ka ọ na-agbachi. Mmacha ka ọ na-agbachi. Just onwe kosite nda amakwa na Igbo na ndị kwụ ya n'azụ. N'ime obi JPAC adịgo ready to say sorry. Mana ndị akwụọ n'azụ bụ ife na-edisivu. Enwere ndị na-edisivu JPAC. JPAC adịgo ready to say sorry. Ike agwụghị. Ilerekwa JPAC anya kịta ama na JPAC sisi abụbasaga JPAC tọọ dịka old man kịta. Ị na-afụkwa ya?
the man is above 40. He's an old man.
Since you ebido this saga, ị na-enene JPAC si na mmadụ wee forgetkwa ihe a na-epretend. JPAC na ife na-eme ya na ife na-eme.
But okwu ya na ife na-eme ihe dịrị ya mma na he's doing fine. Agabeghị m peji ya today ka mara ndị o mere commercial because tomorrow ka m ga-akụja ihe niile ahụ ọ na-commercial. Tomorrow ka m ga na-akụja ha business and I'll be destroying all of them one after another.
So always know what ife bụ JPAC.
I'll be
Okay, nọdụ na
destroying all of them.
na-akọ ife ị na-akụ bupụtakwa nwunye gị soro gị na-akọ
Ka ahụ nwere brain. Ha abụọ wụ saga husband and wife.
Can you imagine?
Saga husband and wife.
Nwoke kọlụsịsaịdị a nwunye ya kọlụsịsaịdị a.
Ahụ ndị Benin na ọ dị mkpa Benin.
A sị na ọ dị ka ọ dị
Udebe ọ dị egoro.
So, okay, I thank you for your good work. At least,
Thank you, my brother.
if not for anything, I could go do ezigbo ife ị na-emelụ ndị mmadụ.
Thank you,
Because ndị mmadụ
my brother.